Howdy folks, Tom Bubbly here once again. So this is what I mean by the satire. Let's have a look at this C. Let's have a look at the Python first. So the aim is to have this generated Python. You have stuff that returns stuff that doesn't return stuff, and stuff that's calling the stuff that's either returning stuff or not returning stuff. Notion of printing, notion of while loop, notion of additive one, notion of all different kinds of mathematics, and that's about it. So this is a direct representation of this. The aim is just to get something that converts this into this. And that's a satire put done promptly. And the aim is to rewrite the simulation in C that is very similar to this. Well, not obviously identical, but similar to it. And therefore get Python output accordingly. That's the idea of the satire. Anyway, Tom Bartley, Las Vegas, Nevada, signing out.